Love your MacBook Pro but hate its slow performance or lack of storage? Meet Feather M17 by Fledging. M17 is built for MacBook Pro 2016 through 2018 to make your MacBook perform as fast as the day you bought it and to upgrade your storage up to 2 terabytes. We're all busy these days. That means we don't have time to wait for our MacBook to load files, change tabs, or save files. And we all know we're doing all these things at the same time. Your MacBook's performance is probably starting to feel less crisp. M17 makes your MacBook perform as fast as the day you bought it. No one likes running out of storage. But did you know that most SSDs slow down once they become half full? This means that upgrading your storage will also upgrade your performance. Upgrade your MacBook with as much as 2 terabytes of storage. That's 8 times more storage if you currently have 256 gigabytes. Fledging ships Feather M17 with all the tools you need to upgrade your MacBook in just a few minutes. We format M17 with a Mac OS to save you hours of work, and we ship with all the tools needed for removing the back panel and replacing the SSD. You can be back up and running in under 10 minutes, not counting the time needed to restore your MacBook from your backup file. Watch the final minute of this video to see just how easy it is to physically replace your SSD. Fledging innovates what people love. With Feather M17, we've made your MacBook Pro 2016 through 2018 as good as new, or maybe even better. Feather M17 is ideal for people who love their MacBook and don't want to spend a ton of money replacing it. If that sounds like you, then Feather M17 is right for you.